Jesus, for making us the state of Meghalaya a special state where we put at the highest priority our faith and our belief in the Catholic Church. I have been to so many countries. Wherever I go, I never fail to look for a Catholic church on a Sunday. And my heart pains in most of the countries that I have gone to, the cities that I have gone to, when I see Catholic Mass dwindling with no participation, especially from the young. Dear Father John, I feel privileged and honored to be sharing this wonderful celebration of youthfulness in front of God's altar. And I thank you for spending time and coming to our state. We have a lot of young Mizo people in our community, Father. And whenever we have celebrants coming from other states to join hands with our own priests, this feeling of oneness and community becomes bonded and more established. I'm so grateful to all the religious who are here, without naming anyone in particular. I think I must thank the brothers who came to invite me, persistently reminding me every day that I have to attend this program. I am so grateful that you have given me this opportunity. And yes, while I was participating in Mass, I asked God for the grace to be able to speak to all of you. What do you tell the young people of the 21st century? This theme, Pilgrims of Hope, is a very apt theme for children and young people of this generation. I feel that the young people of the state of Meghalaya, under almost 80% of Meghalaya's population is under the age of 35. Approximately 40% of that population is under the age of 19. This is the power of Meghalaya's future. If every child in this celebration of Youth Week in Sacred Heart Theological College promises to fulfill their Catholic status and promise to be pilgrims of hope, I am sure that we as a state will be a state with hope and a state with a focused future. From time to time, the Honorable Chief Minister, who due to unavoidable circumstances could not join you today, he has from time to time outlined policies which are specifically youth and youthful in nature. The state of Meghalaya is concerned about the focus of the youth in its population. We are troubled when we see that there is a great sense of restlessness in a few youth who seem to have lost their vision in life. We believe that as a state, We will provide all necessary assistance and infrastructure to give you that feeling of belonging and the feeling of responsibility to the state and this nation. It is incorrect to say the state is responsible for us. But it would be correct and in the right perspective to say, I am responsible to my state. What can I do for my state? And how will I contribute to make my state a peaceful, a tolerant, and a united state? Today, the community is torn between perceptions of the truth and the truth itself. The intervention of the social media has blurred what is true and what is far from the truth. We have seen what has happened in our neighboring states and in the nation and the world over. We have seen what has happened in Bangladesh. A hatred sparked out of communal feelings and tensions. What has happened in Manipur? A feeling that was dominated by hatred on communal lines. Therefore, this is the perfect platform for all of us to take a vow to this great nation. We shall not fear that there is a threat to convert you and me. No one will come and convert us. But I pray always for religious respect and tolerance. In the name of religion, we hijack the peace. We take for granted the love and we destroy each other. I am pained by the numbers of young people who today have no peace even though they suffer alone. It is a time where we will generate each other. Let us take this promise, like was said by Father John in his sermon. If each of us are there for each other, that itself is a gift. And that itself is a profession of our being Catholic. Catholicism does not teach hatred for others.